Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to fix Google Keep Stopping error in Android mobile. So for that, there's some methods here. The first one is to go to your settings and go to apps. Now click on manage apps. Now in the top search bar, search for Google and go for it. Now here you can see in the bottom left force stop, just click on it and force stop it. Click on OK. And if after doing it, it is still not working, click on clear data and clear cache. And again clear cache isn't working, you can just clear all data and click on OK. Now after that, go to Play Store and in the top search bar search for Google. Now if you have an update like here, just click on update and update Google. If it isn't updated to the latest version, it may not work. And after that, if the update isn't working, you can just uninstall Google and reinstall it again, and by that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.